Bitcoin just flashed this bullish signal right here. Amazing returns, guys. You just made 720 profit. Let me show you the trades I share in the private list. I share BitGest, Heroes Chain, Dimitra, SafePal, Infideza, Paribus, RSS3. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Like I mentioned before, last time I recommend to buy Bitcoin for trade crypto members. We bought Bitcoin for $16,000, around 16.5, and we are holding. And right now, Bitcoin just flashed this bullish signal here. This is a stochastic RSI. It's low. When the stochastic RSI is low, that means it's gonna be low cross. That means Bitcoin is gonna continue going up, and the next target for Bitcoin is gonna be right here at $30,000, because if you go way in the back, $30,000 is a big resistance for Bitcoin. You remember what happened right here on May 22? We talk about almost a year ago, guys. That's how you trade, swing trade. You look at what happened in the past. Okay, that's how we do here. So trade recap today: 720 profit. A lot of people think we make money because we trade coin with low price, like Bryce, Heroes, Dimitra. We don't care for the price, guys. We care for these. Volume: $21 million, $257,000, 3.7 million. Guys, take a look at this: $104 million in SafePal. If I made $72,000, you can make the same profits I do. You just need to follow my trades. The whole secret sauce here is to calculate volume spike plus buyer power. Okay, so the price go flat, you got a volume pump, and buyer power, price goes up. We buy low and sell up high. We trade as a sniper here in this channel. Okay, first trade recap: RSS3, guys. Take a look at this volume spike right here. So I shared this trade in the private list right here yesterday. We bought this coin for 14 cents. Our order is about to get filled. We already made 55%. Trade crypto members know when you would sell this coin. Okay, next trade recap: it's Dimitra, BitGest, guys. BitGest shared this trade in the private list yesterday before noon time. We bought this coin for 0.00003348, and you put a sell order right here, 61.35. I made 7,500. Next trade recap, guys: Dimitra. Remember, Dimitra is happening again. The volume spike right here. First pump, this is the second pump. I shared this trade in the private list right here. When you have so much buyer power, we bought this coin for 0.008, and you put a sell order right here at 24. I made $17,000. Guys, the secret sauce is what I do. I developed this software to track the markets, 24/7, calculate volume spike plus buyer power. This is what the volume is spiking right now: Polkadot, Polygon, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Volume just spiked 92%, 77%, 195%. Guys, like I mentioned before, I will let you know when you should buy and sell Bitcoin. Also, I will alert you when you should buy and sell the main cryptos, because they are right here on my watch list. Let me show you them: Dogecoin, Cardano, Polygon, Solana, Litecoin, Polkadot, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. If you like to get those trades in real time, guys, to buy low and sell high, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Give me a like this video, share, follow my Instagram for Bitcoin updates. I put all updates about Bitcoin right here. It's free, guys. You don't have to pay anything. Feel free to reach me out, pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.